Alright, this is 899 South 6th Ave in Wauchula. And we got this pipe flowing. It's flowing very slow.
No, I'm making my bill out for you not showing up this weekend.
But it is flowing.
Just sat there and out.
So now we want to see if we can see what's in here with the camera.
Yep, waiting on you.
A lot of debris. I'm pushing it.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Almost feels like there's something in here.
What's up?
I'm gonna put some water in here and see if we can see it.
No, I left you a message. Daryl was sick; he couldn't come. We'll be heading your way Wednesday or Thursday. Well, because I have shit that they can do today. I didn't have anything for them to do over the weekend, and he got sick. I know. As soon as I can get him there, he's coming there. How's that? Share rail. I didn't say nothing to Jim about it.
There it goes. We got it, whatever it was. What I'm going to do is run the water, and then when I pull back, we ought to be able to get a decent idea what these pipes look like.
Well, when I talked to Daryl about it, Daryl told me, you told him unequivocally to leave it just like it is.
Exactly.
Anyway, we're bottom line, John. Bottom line, we're past all that. We're going to get it fixed. And from here on out, if there's some kind of argument, like I told him, tell you to put it in writing, and we will stop all that because there'll be either something in writing or it'll be done a certain way, and nobody will have any questions about it. This silly bullshit going back and forth to Tim and us all of us do is look like fools. All of us, me, you, and my guys.
Alright, so we're 100 feet. We're well out of the restaurant.
What is that there?
I'm going to let it... It's the water running over the top of the camera.
Oh, no kidding.
I'm going to let the water run for just a minute, and then we'll inspect pulling it back.
Right there.
That's going to be our drop right there to the city.
You almost got it. You almost got it.
So we're going to let some more of this drain down, then we'll be able to look at this pipe nice and pretty. Something was in here that I got finagled with the camera and it let everything go. I don't know if it's gone yet. We'll know when we pull back.
all done.
So we can see some grease build up here on the sides, but it's not terrible. That's what you're seeing on the right and left side.
Who's supposed to be there today? Oh, okay. Yeah, you know he's going to be there Saturday and Sunday.
I want the whole
Now I got to pour concrete today and everything else.
He got out of that hole.
He got sick, he couldn't come.
It's got to be 2 feet deep down in that hole.
More grease build up.
As soon as I can break them away, which is the earliest will be Wednesday morning.
Not that far
It'll
back.
probably be Wednesday or Thursday.
There you go.
Hopefully, maybe you get the plan and he can say till we're done and I'll just finish this place up.
It's shaped like a haunch, they call it. It goes just like this, look.
Pipe looks like it's in really good
Down
shape.
That way. It's called a haunch pipe. And that bottom kind of stays flat down there, at least a shovel and a half wide, you know what I mean? So it goes down over and down.
All right, brother. Let me get off the phone because I got one guy doing heart surgery on my plumbing pipes. I got to get ready for an inspector and a concrete company.
So we got some bigger grease build up
I'll talk to you
here.
later. All right.
See the big grease chunks built up in here? This is, they're probably making it through the grease line.
Well, he says he's never told you. I'm not going to sit there and argue with him because I've had that very same argument
Crystal
where
was
he
standing
says-
right there.
where he doesn't tell somebody something and he's been telling me right away. I know what he's
There's a 45, a lot of grease in here. That's a drop. That's probably where it comes out of the building. I'm going to locate this area right here.
Why would I save the piece?
Alright, so I got this area marked. It's coming out over by the drive-through where the grease trap is. So now we're looking at the cast iron line under the building.
Hey, Bob. Start throwing this over here.
It's in pretty good shape.
Over here, right here. Inside of this hole. Start throwing.
There's a clean out. Let me go see if that's one of the clean outs over there. Because if so, that's what can be used to clean it.
Yeah, if I don't need to put one here, it's not in the plan, I'm not going to.
I found one.
But if you found one,
Alright, so I did find this clean out. There's no way the cap is going to come off of it. It needs to be made serviceable. If you're standing in the front of the building, this would be on the left side, right next to the drive-through where the yellow pole is. And you can see now we're just in the sanitary line, and that's why this thing isn't just completely full of grease or has that grease on either side.
as soon as he's done, he can tighten that, he'll put that cap down for us.
Yeah.
And then we got to fill this, to 4 inches thick.
Yeah.
And then all we got, it's just making it ready for.
So the cast iron line actually looks pretty good. I don't see any issues with this so far. No cracks, no breaks. And it felt like when we were getting stuck, I was just pushing big hard pieces of grease.
Well, he's going to come back anytime. He said about an hour and a half, so we're.
So what I'll do before we conclude the video is I'll turn the hose on and we'll check flow again, just to make sure.
Slow this down a little bit.
Yep, now we're back at the new
If we
PVC.
pass inspection, we'd be done already.
Can you turn that green hose back on for
Can't
me,
call
buddy?
for it till I pass inspection.
I just want to show the flow now that we got everything flowing. I'm right here at the PVC.
There you go.
Perfect.
Do what?
Keep filling it, Bobby. Got a long ways to go.
Flow's beautiful, so whatever I was pushing in there, I'm assuming it was grease. We couldn't see it because it was underwater. But now we have the whole place flowing. I do think it's going to back up again. I believe the grease lines as well as the sanitary lines need to be jet cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and pull out of the clean out. And I'm going to conclude the video.